The beginning of the universe. In the beginning. How did the universe begin? Was it spoken into existence by the voice of God? Or did it emerge from cosmic forces billions of years ago? For centuries, humanity has searched for answers. Tonight, we explore both the Bible and science. Two perspectives, two stories, one mystery. The origin of the universe. The Bible begins with a simple yet profound statement. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Genesis 1:1. This verse sets the foundation for the entire biblical worldview. Creation is not random. It is intentional, purposeful, and ordered. The book of Genesis describes creation unfolding in 6 days. On the first day, God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. On the second day, he separated the waters, creating the sky. On the third day, dry land appeared, and plants began to grow. On the fourth day, God placed the sun, moon, and stars in the heavens. On the fifth day, the seas and skies were filled with living creatures. And on the sixth day, land animals were created, followed by humanity made in the image of God. The seventh day was set apart as holy, a day of rest. This account emphasizes design and meaning. Each day adds a new layer of life and beauty, building toward humanity's role as caretakers of creation. Science tells a different story, but one that also begins with a beginning. About 13.8 billion years ago, the universe itself came into existence in what scientists call the Big Bang. This was not an explosion in space. It was the expansion of space itself. From a single point, energy and matter spread outward, forming galaxies, stars, and eventually planets. Evidence for the Big Bang comes from cosmic background radiation faint energy still detectable today, and the observation that galaxies are moving away from us, showing that the universe is expanding. In this scientific view, the universe is governed by natural laws. Gravity pulls matter together, stars ignite, and over billions of years, the cosmos evolves. Yet, even here, we find echoes of Genesis. Both accounts agree that the universe had a beginning. The Bible describes creation as an act of divine will. Science describes it as a process of natural forces. But both perspectives share something profound. The universe is not eternal. It had a starting point. Whether spoken into existence by God or born through cosmic expansion, the universe began. For believers, Genesis reminds us that creation is purposeful. For scientists, the Big Bang reminds us that creation is mysterious. Together, they invite us to wonder, why is there something rather than nothing? Genesis is not just a timeline, it is a declaration of meaning. Light represents order overcoming chaos. The separation of sky and sea shows boundaries and balance. The creation of plants and animals reveals abundance. And humanity, created in God's image, reflects divine creativity and responsibility. The 6 days of creation are not only about sequence, they are about rhythm, work and rest, growth and completion. The seventh day, the Sabbath, reminds us that creation is not only about existence, but about relationship with God, with the world, and with one another. Science expands the timeline far beyond days. After the Big Bang, the universe cooled, allowing atoms to form. Stars ignited, producing heavier elements like carbon and oxygen, the building blocks of life. Galaxies formed, and within them, solar systems like ours. About 4.6 billion years ago, our sun was born, surrounded by a disk of dust and gas. From this, Earth was formed. In this view, creation is a process of billions of years, shaped by physics and chemistry. Yet, even here, there is wonder. The laws of nature are precise, balanced, and fine-tuned for life. Many scientists see this as evidence of deeper meaning. So, what do we learn from these two accounts? The Bible tells us creation is intentional. Science tells us creation is vast and ancient. Both remind us that the universe is extraordinary. Genesis begins with God's voice. Let there be light. Science begins with cosmic expansion, a universe filled with energy. Both begin with light. Both begin with a beginning. Perhaps the most important truth is not how the universe began, but that it began. That we are here, able to ask these questions, able to marvel at the stars, able to reflect on our place in creation. The beginning of the universe is a mystery that continues to inspire faith and science alike. Whether we see it as the work of God or the unfolding of natural laws, it is a story of wonder. In the next episode, we'll journey further into the birth of Earth itself and the conditions that made life possible. This is where the world began.